Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and your device has enough battery, or plug it in. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet on Android or Personal Hotspot on iOS. Make sure you enable the hotspot and create a strong SSID and password using WPA2 or WPA3. This secures connections and avoids accidental data use. You're now ready to handle Data Saver without losing tethering capability. Next, you adjust Data Saver so tethering keeps working. On Android, go to Data Saver settings and look for an option to allow unrestricted data access for apps. Find the hotspot or tethering system service and whitelist it. On iOS, Data Saver is less granular. Instead, temporarily disable low data mode when tethering. Make sure to save changes and restart the hotspot if needed, because some systems require toggling to apply the new permission and keep connected devices streaming data. Finally, connect a client device and test with a quick browse or a small download to confirm internet access. If it fails, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart your phone, and double-check that the hotspot service remains whitelisted in Data Saver. If issues persist, verify your carrier plan allows tethering and inspect APN settings or contact support. One key tip: carriers sometimes block hotspot traffic. Confirming plan permissions saves time and prevents chasing the wrong setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.